question. I take the example of the robot. If you are in the prototype phase, you can easily prototype a website or an application, but how do you prototype a product? Because now the robot was already here.
Yeah. Yes, good. It's a really good question. So as I mentioned, it would have been really fun to do design sprints at the. Is that loud enough? Everybody here okay? I'm so used to having like that whole voice of God behind me with the other one. So yeah, it's really easy to imagine prototyping a website but if you're at the moment where you are considering building a robot, I think that the thing you'd prototype is actually the marketing or the sales for the thing. So this is often something I've seen many teams do when they're developing hardware, and it's to basically like so you imagine like the conversation that Savio might have with a hotel starts somewhere. It might start with an in-person conversation with a salesperson. It might start with them looking at a website or reading about it online or something. Any of those things can actually be quite. Is that okay? It's okay. Okay. Any of these can be like quite easily simulated. There's usually like 3D renderings of the product that can be put in, and a lot of maybe not the entire decision-making process, but a part of it often happens before people see the product for real. That's not as good as having the finished real product, but often I think teams who are building something complicated like that will defer a test like this because they say there's no way for us to prototype. When prototyping that sort of fake, the thing that you would sell, will often do the trick.
Yeah.